Event planning process. Introduction to the module. Effective event planning is crucial for achieving success and ensuring a seamless experience for all involved. Understanding each phase of the event planning process, from setting clear goals to managing finances, is essential for creating memorable and impactful events. This module will guide you through the key steps involved in planning an event, covering everything from budgeting and scheduling to risk management and contingency planning. With this knowledge, you'll be equipped to organize events efficiently, keep stakeholders informed, and address any challenges that arise, ensuring your event meets its objectives. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to set clear and achievable event goals using the SMART framework, understand the key steps involved in planning an event, manage budgeting and financial aspects of event planning, develop effective event timelines and schedules, implement risk management and contingency planning strategies. Setting event goals. Setting clear and measurable event goals is essential for creating a successful event. Event goals provide direction, help in decision-making, and serve as a benchmark for evaluating the event's success. Well-defined goals ensure that every aspect of the event aligns with the desired outcomes, from planning and budgeting to marketing and post-event analysis. You can consider some key subsections for setting event goals. Define the purpose of the event. The purpose of the event is the foundation for all planning decisions. Understanding why the event is being held helps clarify its objectives, whether for celebration, education, networking, fundraising, or brand promotion. The purpose drives decisions regarding the format, content, guest speakers, and overall atmosphere of the event. Set SMART goals. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, ensuring goals are realistic and trackable. For example, instead of saying, increase attendance, a SMART goal would be, increase attendance by 20% compared to last year's event by promoting via social media. Identify the target audience. Understanding your audience is key to defining event goals. Whether targeting industry professionals, students, or families, goals should cater to their needs, expectations, and interests. Tailoring goals to the audience ensures the event resonates with them and achieves its purpose. Establish budgetary constraints. Financial goals are essential for setting event objectives. The budget influences the event's scale, venue, guest count, and services. Clear budgeting and aligning goals with financial resources ensure you can meet objectives without exceeding costs. Focus on the guest experience. An essential goal for any event is to create a memorable and enjoyable experience for attendees. This could involve ensuring smooth logistics, offering engaging activities, or curating a comfortable environment. Setting goals focused on the guest experience helps elevate the overall success of the event. Set quantifiable objectives. Having measurable objectives allows you to track success. For fundraising events, goals may include the total amount raised, whereas for a conference, it could be the number of sessions attended or participant engagement levels. Quantifiable goals provide tangible data to measure success post-event, assess impact and outcomes. After the event, evaluating its effectiveness is crucial. Setting measurable outcomes related to media coverage, customer satisfaction, or post-event surveys helps determine if the event met its goals. These insights also provide valuable information for future event planning. Event planning steps. Event planning is a structured process that ensures the successful execution of an event. Each step helps organize logistics, manage resources, and create a seamless experience for attendees. By following a clear event planning process, planners can ensure that nothing is overlooked and the event meets its goals. Here are the key event planning steps you should follow. Define the event objectives. Clearly establish the purpose and goals of the event. Set a budget. Determine the financial resources available for the event. Choose a date and venue. Select a suitable date and venue based on the event's size and nature. Plan the agenda. Outline the event schedule, including speakers, activities, and breaks. Arrange vendors and supplies. Coordinate services like catering, decorations, and audio-visual equipment. Promote the event. Use marketing strategies to promote the event and attract attendees. Execute the event. Ensure smooth operations on the event day with proper coordination. Evaluate success. After the event, assess its success through feedback and performance metrics. Budgeting and financial management. Budgeting and financial management are fundamental aspects of successful event planning. Ensuring that an event stays within financial limits while achieving desired outcomes requires careful planning, monitoring, and decision-making. Effective management of finances allows event planners to allocate resources wisely, avoid unexpected costs, and deliver an exceptional experience without overspending. The process involves defining clear financial goals, forecasting expenses, and closely tracking spending throughout the event's life cycle. Key components of budgeting and financial management include establishing the event budget. Set a clear budget by defining the total amount available and allocating funds to different categories. For example, venue, food, entertainment, staffing. Forecasting costs. Estimate all potential expenses, including fixed and variable costs. Consider any possible additional costs, such as overtime or last-minute supplies. Tracking expenses. Use budgeting tools or spreadsheets to regularly monitor expenses and ensure you stay within budget. This helps identify potential overspending early. Vendor negotiation. Negotiate with vendors and suppliers to secure favorable rates, obtain multiple quotes to compare costs, and select the best value options. Contingency fund. Set aside a portion of the budget, usually 10 to 20%, for unexpected expenses. This ensures that any unforeseen costs can be covered without disrupting the event. Payment schedules. Create a payment timeline for vendors, deposits, and other expenses, ensuring timely payments and avoiding financial strain. Post-event financial review. Analyze actual expenses against the projected budget to assess performance and inform future event planning. Event timelines and scheduling. Effective event timelines and scheduling are crucial to ensuring that each aspect of an event is planned and executed seamlessly. A clear timeline helps prevent last-minute confusion, allows for efficient resource management, and ensures that all tasks are completed on time. Some key steps in creating a successful event timeline are: create a master timeline. Develop an overall event timeline that includes pre-event, event day, and post-event tasks. This timeline should outline key milestones and deadlines for each phase of planning. Break it down into phases. Divide the timeline into distinct phases, such as venue selection, vendor bookings, guest list finalization, and marketing. This breakdown makes the planning process more manageable. Set milestones and deadlines. Identify crucial deadlines, for example, vendor payments, invitation sending, and ensure they align with the overall event goals. Keep milestones realistic, allowing for flexibility. Create a run of show, ROS. This is a detailed minute-by-minute schedule for the event day. It includes the timing of all activities, such as guest arrivals, speeches, entertainment, meals, and transitions, ensuring everything flows smoothly. Build in buffer time. Plan for unexpected delays or challenges by incorporating extra time between major activities, especially for transitions or setups. Communicate with all parties. Share the timeline with vendors, speakers, and other stakeholders, ensuring everyone understands their responsibilities and deadlines. Monitor progress. During the event. On the event day, stay on top of the timeline, adjusting as necessary to keep everything on track. Risk management and contingency planning. Risk management and contingency planning are critical components of event planning, ensuring that potential issues are identified and addressed before they affect the event's success. By proactively planning for possible risks, event organizers can minimize disruptions and maintain a smooth event experience. You can consider some key steps in developing effective risk management and contingency plans. Identify potential risks. Start by assessing all aspects of the event, including the venue, suppliers, attendees, weather, and security. Identify possible risks, such as vendor failures, technical issues, or natural disasters. Assess the impact and likelihood. For each identified risk, evaluate its potential impact on the event and the likelihood of it occurring. This helps prioritize which risks require immediate attention. Develop mitigation strategies. Create strategies to reduce the likelihood of risks occurring. This may include choosing reliable vendors, securing event insurance, or setting up contingency plans for weather-related issues. Create contingency plans. Develop clear action plans for handling potential disruptions. This includes having backup vendors, alternative venues, or emergency procedures in place. Communicate with stakeholders. Share the contingency plans with key event stakeholders, including vendors, staff, and security teams. Ensure everyone is prepared to respond to emergencies effectively. Monitor and adjust during the event. On the event day, continuously monitor risks and be ready to implement contingency measures if necessary. Maintain flexibility to adjust plans as situations evolve. By managing risks and planning contingencies, event organizers can ensure a successful and uninterrupted experience for all attendees. Highlights from this module. From this module, you have learned the following points. Setting clear event goals ensures that every aspect of the event aligns with the desired outcomes. The event planning process includes defining objectives, setting budgets, and coordinating logistics. A solid financial management plan helps allocate resources wisely and avoid overspending. Creating a detailed event timeline ensures all tasks are completed on time and efficiently. Risk management and contingency planning help mitigate potential disruptions and ensure event success. Thank you. You have successfully made it to the end of this module.